Olha o Messi.
Cristiano Ronaldo! Neymar!
Still plenty to go. Plenty to enjoy. Bad time last year. Suggestions that he might be coming to England. Be welcomed with open arms.
Messi's cross and Felipe Luis, and Messi gets away from him with sublime ease inside to Suarez. The return ball. For Lamar's challenge is a free kick which Leo met, and it's going to be taken again. No accuracy.
Looking for Biglia. We'll get it at the second attempt. Messi's offside. He's offside.
Isso mesmo, o Messi não perdoa nem os goleiros. E na Copa América de 2016, ele fez isso daí com o goleiro da Bolívia.
Flag goes up. Messi probably instinctively knew that he was offside.
Aí, olha o Messi, hein? Olha o Messi, que caneta no Oscar Plano. Olha a caneta que ele deu no Oscar Plano. Essa, olha isso, ó. Gente, que toque, hein? Parece fácil, né? Parece muito fácil. O problema é tentar fazer, um ser humano normal tentar fazer isso aí, ó.
Lionel Messi, he may liven things up. Leaves one defender for dead, slips over a second one, cuts inside.
And when they have taken the shots, they haven't hit the target. This is the run from Messi from a different angle, and he's just mesmerising. Off the post. Look at it from the side. He's a genius. It was Borja who done Messi.
Here's that skill again. Great feet from Messi. Oh, it's delightful. Oh, still they can't stop him. How far can he go here?
Brilliant. Quick feet. Look at this, Kevin. Two skip pass. No, he's going to pass the same player again for the second time. And then he accelerates, and you think that's it. He's out of it. No, beats one through the legs of another.
Into the Venezuelan-born centre-half's head. Little Messi does a little about turn. Away he goes. Messi takes an all comers. Messi keeps going. That is the only way to stop it.
You see Leo Messi for the first time tonight successful with one of those mazy runs. 4 or 5 players would like to have a swipe at him. There's no contact made on the ball for heavy contact. Could quite easily been given as a penalty.
Well, that was, wasn't it?
Yeah, Javi Martinez. More
makes it all the more remarkable that along with Barcelona and Real Madrid, Athletic Bilbao have never been relegated from the Primera Division.
Something to be admired, I have to say. Well, there's 3 of them running. He's still going. Look at this, Kevin.
It's a brilliant run from Messi. Can he go all the way? It's one of the great Copa del Rey finals.
Unbelievable. How do you stop him? And you think 3 of them around him, he's not going to get past the ball. He does. Then he takes on the 4th, comes inside and scores it at the near post. He's just incredible. I don't think we've ever seen or ever will see.
I guess it deserved that goal scorer. And here he is again. Here he is again. That's astonishing. It's absolutely world class.
Em 2015, Messi fez isso daí com o zagueiraço do Bayern de Munique chamado Boateng. Incrível, né?
I acaba la dreta per Xavi, assistència de Xavi més cap a la dreta per Messi, Messi, immens Messi, encara 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 Messi, gol, 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 increïble, no m'ho puc imaginar, no m'ho podia imaginar, no ho he vist mai això, no ho he vist mai, increïble quina jugada, Messi,